Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can use Emmet to improve our HTML writing skill. We can using Emmet easily write HTML very fast. Okay, let's suppose I want to create a div with class container. So for that we just need to type div, and for class we use to write dot, and let's suppose I'm putting over here container. So this will create div with class container. But div is over here is a default. If you don't write div, even then it will create div class. Let's suppose I'm just putting container and pressing tab. This will create div class with container as well. Okay. And let's suppose I want to create one div. I suppose input field with id. For id we use hash. So let's suppose I'm putting id over here, username. So this will create input box with id username. Okay. And let's suppose I want input field with the placeholder. So let's suppose for the placeholder any attribute we use this square bracket. So let's suppose I want placeholder with value username. So this will create placeholder with value username. Okay. And one more thing, let's suppose I want to create one let's suppose I have created h1 tag, but I want the value inside this h1 tag, some value. I can some value inside header tag. Just for writing value inside this we use mostly curly braces. So let's press tab. It will write something inside this h1 tag. Okay. One more thing, I suppose I want to write ul, and inside ul I want li. So for writing under some tag, inside some tag, we need to put this symbol over here and li, and press tab. This will create ul with one li tag under this ul. But let's suppose I have to create ul under this ul li, but li should be 5 times. So just times 5, it will create li 5 times. Let's make it a little more dynamic over here. ul and li 5 times, but I want li with id, some id over here. Let's suppose id I'm giving item. So if you put item, if you generate like this, you can see over here as well, it is creating id with the same name, item, but I want id should be dynamic. So for putting dynamic, we can put dollar. It will generate item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. Okay. Inside this li I want some value. So let's suppose I want item 1, 2, 3. So for that item, for that we use this curly braces and this dollar sign. The dollar sign also create like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If tap over, this will create this one. Okay. And one more thing, just I want to show you. Let's suppose I have created one div, and inside the